We begin every day, every case, every new idea with a question. What's right for children? What's right for the youngest, the most vulnerable, the most resilient? What's right for a future engineer, a rock star, a princess, a president? We believe what's right means that every child should be cared for by people who have devoted their careers to children's medicine. Whether in the OR, in the community, or in our hospital, you'll find them. Nurses, surgeons, researchers, educators, all with a lifetime of expertise and commitment. What's Right is a special place designed with kids in mind, a place focused on their unique physical and emotional needs, where some of the world's most innovative thinking is working to reimagine children's healthcare, where moms, dads, and siblings are as much a part of the care team as we are, and where lives are saved and lifetimes reclaimed. What's Right means raising a voice for those who cannot, championing the health of children in the nation's capital, across the country, and around the world, working so that every child, everywhere, has the best chance at a bright future. We are Children's National. Children's medicine is not part of what we do, it's all we do. Every day, we honor a mission that goes back a century and embrace a vision that goes forward just as far. We are protectors and guardians, stewards and advocates, visionaries and leaders, working with a single focus: to bring health and well-being to all children. We don't believe it's unreasonable, unrealistic, or unreachable. We believe it's just right.